Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today I am going to work on 7th experiment of System Software and Compiler Lab. The aim of the experiment is to write a program in C to parse a given string using non-recursive predictive parsing for a given grammar. Okay, let's go on to the description part. So recursive descent is a top-down parsing technique that constructs the parse tree from the top, and the input is read from left to right, and it uses procedures for every terminal and non-terminal entity. Okay, the parsing technique exclusively parses the input to make parse tree, which may or may not require backtracking, but the grammar associated with it, if not left factor, cannot avoid backtracking. A form of recursive parsing that does not require any backtracking is known as predictive parsing. This parsing technique is regarded recursive as it uses context-free grammar, which is recursive in nature. Yeah. Let's go on to the algorithm part. So first, what we are going to do is initially we are setting IP to a point to the first symbol. Then we are repeating this process, that let x be the top stack symbol and the symbol pointed to 2 by IP. If x is a terminal or 4, then x okay, then it will go to another case, a nested if x equal to a, then pop x from the stack and advance IP. Okay, and later else error. And for the outside of the case, else if m of xa will be assigned x will be assigned from y1 y2 y2, and then begin pop x from the stack first. Then what we are doing first, we are initially popping x from the stack, then we are pushing yk minus 1 up till y1 into the stack from onto the top of the stack, sir. The output of the production will be displayed as y1 y2 dash to yk, and after ending that we will be giving error if that is not working, and until it will go up till x equal to dollar. So let's go on to the program part. So initially we have defined all the required header files and variables, as we can see here. And after that, what we are doing is first we are creating a function, a void push and string s. First we are pushing the string into the x, then this is the process of pushing the string into the stack, and this is for the popping out. So this function is just to pop out any variable or any id from the stack. And then we are going to the main function. So what we are doing in main function is first we have declared all the required variables, then we are asking a user to enter the number of input symbols, then after that we are asking user to enter the number of non-terminals, then after that we are also asking user to enter the input symbols, and after that we are asking users to enter the non-terminals, and towards the end we are asking user to enter the table. Now what is going to happen is first from the id, each small element, each id will be pushed into the stack one by one, and then after that a user will be asked that enter the number of symbols in the string. Then after the input is given, then user will enter the string to verify, and after that what will happen, then we are going to check if the end of the string is dollar or not. Sorry, string of n, sorry, last of the string array we are storing dollar. Then after that what we are doing is we are designing a three column stack, input and output. Stack will be storing all the id elements, and input will be the a string, input string, as in if we give id plus id into id, then that will be considered as input, and output will be what will be the output after I perform an operation, like if id will be replaced, if id will be replaced with any other variable, then that will be considered as the output. Then we are performing the swapping operation here. Then after that, in the table checking for the non-terminals, that is minus e, then arrow e, and all and simply arrow also for the table. And we are then after that what we are doing is we are performing the swapping operation one by one, and we are comparing that variables with with the input. Then towards the end, if the top of the stack and the string head is dollar, okay, if the top of the stack is also dollar and string head of the string is also dollar, then the string will be accepted, and if it is not dollar, then the string will not be accepted. So let's go on to the working part of the program. We are going to take input directly from the experiment.